Hey guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got a crate tool that David from West Highland Shop sent me. I'm excited about this. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, let's get a good look at this. I didn't see any identifying marks on here at all. The handles are all but pretty much gone. So what I think I want to do, get the old wood off here, throw it on the wire wheel, and see if I can't find some marks. Then we'll go from there. Alright, let's get right into it. Look at that, the wood just disintegrates right off of it. It's a shame, you know, but I like fixing stuff like this, so it's just kind of cool. Alright, we just need to cut those rivets off. Just need to cut those rivets off and we'll be ready for the wire wheel. I'm going to do some 150 and some WD-40. This is a worn out 400 that I'm going to use now. So I think I'm just going to take it to 1,000, and that's about it. I just want to see what this side's going to look like. Of course, I'll do the other side, I'll have to, but just want to see what this is going to look like buffed out. All right, well, I'm glad I shut that off when I did, because I cut my finger real bad. Yeah, I'm glad I shut it off when I did. There was a whole lot of profanity and a whole lot of blood, so there is absolutely no reason for this thing to be razor blade sharp like this. I kind of went a little overboard, but it is what it is. We got the finish that we were desired on this. At least I feel I have. I'm going to attach some handles and then finish this up. So I say we jump right in the handles. Alright, well, you guys can see what I'm getting at here. That's right, natural 209. Want this hickory to handle to really look good. Oh yeah. Genuine hickory. Alrighty guys, well, we're all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. The crate tool came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with it. Thanks again to David from West Highland Shop for sending it to me, dude. I love it, man. Thanks. Like always, guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.